Welcome to our Appointed Booking Platform review. Want to learn more? Check the links below. Appointed offers versatile, customizable online scheduling for businesses of all sizes, from solopreneurs to enterprises. It's perfect for retail, professional services, events, and even co-working spaces. Here's our experience. Appointed shines with its flexibility, managing bookings across multiple time zones, ideal for global businesses. Unlimited users and calendars mean it scales with your team. Setup is simple, and customizable booking pages maintain your brand with logos, colors, and business details. Customers book directly from your website, email, or social media thanks to easy integrations. Appointed also boasts powerful automation. Automatic reminders minimize no-shows, and recurring bookings cater to long-term clients. Need detailed scheduling? Offer bookings by duration, service, or resource, tailoring options to your customers. Payments are seamless with integrations like Stripe. Take deposits or full payments upfront, simplifying processing and reducing late cancellations. Appointed also offers insightful reporting on bookings, revenue, and customer trends, crucial for optimizing your strategy. Overall, Appointed excels in ease of use, customization, and scalability. It streamlines scheduling and delivers a professional customer experience. Looking for a reliable, feature-rich booking solution? Appointed is worth considering. Learn more and get started. Check the links below.